fit like now. Welcome to Learn Scottish Words, Part 2. Doric, Scots. This is half a dozen Scottish words for you to learn, or the north east of Scotland variety. Hope you enjoy. Now, your first word is bide, and that means stay. So I could say abide in this lovely house, or that means I stay in this nice house. So I bide in this bonny house. Or I could say abide in this bonny castle, or abide in this grand castle. Or if I was a wee hermit crab, I could say abide in a shawl, because he makes his house out of a shawl. So he bides in his house, which is a shawl. So that's the word bide. Now the next word is beat, which as you can see is boots. A pair of boots, or as we say, a pair of beats. And this happens to be a pair of rigger beats, and that's my favourite pair of beats that I happen to wear most of the time. Rigger beats. Now this is a pair of wifey's beats that the wifey's wear, or you can get a pair of toppers or waldy beats. So it's all different types of pairs of beats. Now the next word is bringe, which means to pounce on something. As you can see here, there's like a mountain lion kind of thing, gonna want to pounce on something. He's making a bringe for something. And this owl, he's making a wee bringe for a moose. He's maybe catching a moose for his supper, so he's making a bringe for that. And then you've got this fox. He's actually loping right into the air, making his bringe. So he's taking a lope as well as making a bringe. So it's bringe, to pounce. Now the next word is a bothy. Now this just means a small housey, and it's maybe just got 2 roomies in it, or maybe just 1 room, because it's just a little housey, and that's your bothy. And this is a picture of a bothy away up in the Highlands, and we've got a black and white picture here of an old bothy in Scotland. So that's your bothy, a small housey. Now the next word is breed. Now this lad in the picture, he's what I would call a muckle breed, because he's great big and strong. So he's a muckle breed. Now breed is often similar to brute, so that gives you an idea. Now the next picture, I would say this is a queer looking breed, because he's got a small head and great big thick arms. So he is what I would call a queer looking breed. And then the last picture of all is a picture of a big strong bull, and that's a strong breed. He's a strong breed. Now, the last word is actually in 2 bits. It's a bad limmer. A bad limmer. And this means similar to a bad person. So this lad in the picture, he looks like a bad limmer. And this next picture, there's 2 lads here in a fecht. So they could be bad limmers. So, but it doesn't necessarily mean awful bad. You can use it like this next picture is a cat stealing stuff, wheeking stuff out of a fridge. And you could say, oh, you bad limmer it you are. Nee, meaning it is really bad. But you can use it in that way, you can. Like if your wee bairn does something like stealing something, but nae being coarse really, you could call him, you bad limmer it you are, ken? So that's a bad limmer. Nu, that's the end op part 2 of the Doric Scots lessons. Now, I hope you enjoyed that now, and I'll catch you after.